Hello everyone. I'm really not sure if I can finish this without tearing up, so bear with me. I'm CA Apeksha Kamath, and I have read somewhere that success is a daily bet on yourself. It takes consistency, it takes time, and it takes commitment. In the month of January 2023, when I stood on this same stage for my felicitation of intermediate examinations, I made a really bold statement. I said, CA is everyone's cup of tea. I didn't know the depth of that statement that time, but I believe it got registered somewhere in my brain because that statement today seems to be true. And as a result of such a positive belief, here I am standing in front of you as a chartered accountant. But this result is not just a win of mine, but countless sacrifices and support of my dear loved ones, for whom I completely dedicate this win to. This journey has been one with countless teachings. Let me share a few of them with you. It has taught me to never miss an opportunity, an amazing opportunity, just because you have to do hard work. When I got the notification that ICAI is conducting the final examinations thrice a year, my CA final attempt, which was due in November 2025, got preponed to September 2025. I honestly panicked because my preparation was near to nil at that point of time. I thought, I have study leave and I have a lot of ample of time to prepare for my attempt. But as it got preponed, I sat with my parents, I sat with Gauri ma'am, and I can very proudly say that those four gems of my life, my mom, my grandmother, my dad, and Gauri ma'am, if they had showed even a single % of doubt that Apeksha, would you like to reconsider? Would you like to skip this attempt and give it in January? At that moment, I would have said, yes, I can't do this. Let's do it in January. But they did not show a single point of doubt. And because of them, that proved to be the greatest decision ever. Second teaching this journey has taught me is to recognize and to be grateful for all sacrifices of my parents. During the entire time of my preparations, I did not have a single point of worry except for studying. My dad has even told me, Apeksha, if at all I could have studied on your part and if I could have given examinations, I could have done that. But you just worry about studies for now. Everything else we'll manage. To that point, it was when I went back to my office after my study leave, everyone's question was, Apeksha, you were supposed to get a little thinner because of all the anxiety and stress, but you have gotten a little chubbier. So that was one good thing. That itself showed how well fed, well cared for I was. And my sole job at that point of time was studying. That was all made possible because of my parents, for whom I am very thankful. Third teaching would be testing your preparedness. And the best way to check how prepared you are is to give mock tests. Mock tests, the more mock tests you give, the more you identify your weak areas. And I really hope no one fails over here. But if you do, I really hope it is in your mock tests and not in your actual examinations. Fourth teaching would be, without confidence, every skill you have is useless. The world today rewards confidence and not perfection. The more confident you are in yourself, the more confident you are in your preparation, that is when the universe gets the hint that, okay, she is prepared, let's give her the gift. Lastly, one thing I practiced very often was to count my blessings and to count what things I'm grateful for rather than all the blunders and burdens, etc. And that has really helped me reach where I am today. This right here is the moment I have dreamt for the past few years, and nothing ever comes close to all my imaginations I have had. I'm very grateful and I'm very happy today. So let me take a moment to thank all the loved ones who made this possible. Let me start with my most favorite human being, my grandma. She has probably sent in an application to all the God she knows on the result day. And you see this hand over here, if I had not stopped her, no, it would have been filled with all other God's, blessings. So thank you so much for making this all happen, and thank you so much for cheering me on and celebrating this win as if it was your own. My mom, the only person who without a doubt had told me that, Apeksha, you are definitely going to clear and you're definitely going to become a chartered accountant. Everyone, including me, I had a small small part of my brain telling me that, what if not? What if I don't clear? But my mom, she had only one dialogue, which was, Apeksha, I know you're a chartered accountant. This is just the confirmation you're getting, and you will become a chartered accountant. Let me take a minute. Next would be my dad, who is the only person who has understood me during the entire time of my preparation, the level of hard work I was giving in. And despite seeing how hard I was working hard for, he urged me to put in that extra mile, because he only had one thing. Once you get the result, it's going to be the sweetest thing ever. And indeed, it is. So thank you, Anu, for believing in me that I can go that extra mile. Just one more page to go. Gauri ma'am, who now I call my mother, because she has been as present and as supportive as one. From checking on me daily to making sure that I am well prepared and well equipped for all my examinations, because her kid should not be facing any troubles during the examinations. I'm very thankful for you. Lastly, I would like to thank Gopi sir, Namita ma'am, Ram sir, and Trisha for giving me this wonderful opportunity and more than what was required all the time. There are countless things that Trisha has helped me in, be in very smooth completion of my BCom journey, and also recognizing me as the best outgoing of my batch. And I'm very thankful to Gopi sir, because he kept checking on with Gauri ma'am how my preparations are going, if my studies are going well or not. From that to being the most excited person when I called him, the first person I had called when I got my results. I'm so thankful and proud to call myself a Trishite. Thank you so much for introducing Trisha to us and making CA everyone's cup of tea. There are a lot of people in this room who have, in most beautiful ways and most meaningful ways, contributed to me being here. And I would wholeheartedly like to thank each one of you all. And the list of my thank yous could go on, but this program cannot. So let me leave you all with one thing that has pushed me during my time of preparation for my CA examinations. That was Yad Bhavam Tad Bhavati, which meant, as you think, so shall it be. All the best, everyone. I'm cheering for you all. Thank you.